Hello there, welcome to Stage for Kids Global and Inspiration for Kids International. I'm Teacher Emil Antoine, the founder, the lead trainer, and the behavioral technologist here at Stage for Kids Global. Now, I'm excited to announce the first batch of workshops that we're going to be running here at Stage for Kids Global. Now, for more than 2 decades, I have worked with parents, with teachers, with schools and organizations, helping children to develop and grow in confidence, in dramatization, in communication, and in character. Now, to start this year, I have chosen subjects that are close to my heart, and these workshops they encompass emotions, storytelling, dramatization, character development, and so I look forward to having you join me in these workshops. So, what are these 3 workshops? The first workshop is the Confident Storyteller, designed for parents with young children and teachers who want to build confident, expressive classrooms and other spaces through the power of storytelling. The second workshop is turning big emotions into big performances, where we learn how to help children identify the feelings, turn those emotions into characters, and then create little stories that help them understand and manage what's happening inside. And the third workshop is turning your child's favorite storybook into an adventure, a magical session for teachers and parents, where we transform any storybook into a lesson complete with dramatic roleplay and creative storytelling activities. These workshops are practical, they're joyful, and they're full of simple techniques that we can use immediately, regardless if you're at a party or in a classroom or at home with the children. All the details that you will need to register for these workshops are on the website. And if you are already on it and you're on that page and you still have questions, well, pop us an email at shine@stageforkids.com and we'll get back to you really soon. I look forward to seeing you at these workshops as we work together, learn from each other, and bring more benefits to the children that we care, we love, and we want to develop into wonderful young people. I'm excited already and I can't wait to see you there. I'll see you guys soon.